All right, so I want you to look closely at these very similar outfits side by side and tell me which one has the longer looking legs out of the two. And after you answer that, could you tell me how I made my legs appear longer? It's not height adjusting shoe inserts. I didn't do any limb lengthening surgery. Oof. All I did was throw on pants that sit higher at the waist. Now, this little leg lengthening hack is going around as the rule of thirds style formula. And it's simply a little trick to dictate where your top and bottom should sit. Now, this formula is having your top covering 1/3 of your body, followed by the pants filling in the rest of the two. Now, these proportions go back to the 1950s when slacks were sitting around, the navel. And with the current rise of the 90s menswear trends, you can expect more of these types of pants to hit the market. Now, do they have to be pleated or ultra baggy? Absolutely not. You can shop around for higher rise denim as well and, get the same effect. Now, why should you go high rise over low rise? Good question. And I've covered that in detail in my rise guide video that I will link up above for you guys to check out. But to keep it, short and sweet, it gives you, low rise, it gives you an awkward proportion no matter how tall or short you are. If you're tall, it makes you look very top heavy. If you're short, it makes you look stumpy. Sort of gives you like looking in a fisheye lens, like a fisheye effect. And it also makes your butt look small with a short 7-inch rise because they're sitting so low between the hip and the butt already. So there's nothing to separate the two. But if you were to increase the rise by, say, 10 inches, it would create a nice silhouette starting from your natural waist down to the curve of your butt and straight down. Pause. Down to the curve of your seat and straight down. If you're also jacked, it could it would do more favors for you because it will not only make your legs appear longer, but it also complements your build up top, making your shoulders and chest appear much broader. Again, check out my rise guide video if you would like to know more of that in detail. And I'll admit it could be an awkward adjustment at first, but once you grow accustomed to having pants sitting higher at your natural waist, you'll never go back to low rise. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see if I could find some jeans, chinos, or trousers that you could shop for online that have a higher rise. They are a bit difficult to find sometimes, but I've came across some really great brands. But anyways, gents, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.